Welcome to AI.dielmo. Today I will teach you how to draw detections in your own videos. For our example, we will be using this video in which we will try to detect as many faces as possible. Okay, so let's start. To start with the process, simply press the Launch Job button and select the Draw Detections in Video option. Here we will select both input and output folders, as well as the model file that we will be using. Remember that you can change the accuracy by selecting a new value for the confidence threshold. In our case, we're going to leave it as 50. And we can also change the frame detection. In our case, we're going to be making a detection every 4 frames. Inside the Advanced Parameters tab, we can select different options. Since we have a high-end GPU in this computer, we will go ahead and activate the hardware acceleration for a faster processing. Once you have everything ready, simply press Launch Job and wait for the task to complete. As you can see, in the output folder, we have a video file with the detections. And if we go ahead and open it, we can clearly see that the faces have been detected. If you need additional functionalities, remember that .dielmo can personalize any features that you may need for your personal projects. Thank you for watching. For more information, visit ai.dielmo.com.